So last week I whined that there was ice here. This is snow. This is snow. Like a lot of snow. Like a lot of snow. But we're still gonna do the cooking show because we've now been stuck inside for a while. But yeah, just thought I'd let you know that I completely understand the irony that last week I looked at this table and said, oh no, ice. And today I'm like, so what, there's snow. We'll be just fine. Welcome to extra winter edition of Let's Make a Meal. Here is our not quite a snow dog to help us out. And we're doing everything face up because that was a lot easier to handle when everything's covered in snow. So Will, please, from the bowl on your right, please select 4 of these 5 items.
Okay, so we've got lemons.
Yep.
We've got red onion.
Yep.
We have can of black beans.
Yep.
Can of peas. Mm-hmm. And spaghetti squash.
Yeah.
Okay. The spaghetti squash is interesting because we had pasta for the last 2 major meals, more or less.
Uh-huh.
So it's a bit different, but it is one of the fresh things, and I feel like I should probably use up the fresh things because we're running a bit low.
Yeah. That is the true statement.
So I think I'm going to go ahead and... I think I'm going to cut the can of beans.
Okay. Sounds good. So we're left
So
with...
it's me. Spaghetti squash, lemon, onions, and peas.
Okay, cool. And now, from the next one, you must pick one of these 3 items.
Okay, so we've got orzo pasta. We've got a box of mashed potatoes. And we've got quinoa.
Yes, all of these, so because of the power outages, we have an extra person in our house, and so all of these were approved by this other person.
Okay, I'm gonna go with the mashed potatoes.
Okay.
There are a variety of things I can do with that, I think.
Excellent.
In addition to the fact that everybody likes mashed potatoes.
That's true. That's true, we do. And are you ready for your mystery ingredient that you will have to use if you accept it? It's in my pocket.
Yes.
Okay.
I
Are you ready?
I am. Aha! Fancy salt.
Fancy salts.
Alright. So we mostly have finishing salts. So most of these are meant to be done as I'm plating. So I will keep that in mind, and I will probably plate with some weird stuff.
Okay, cool.
We'll see if anyone can notice.
What are you going to cut?
I think it keeps long enough that it'll wait an extra day. I think I'm cutting the spaghetti squash after all.
Okay.
That'll kind of let me do something a little more different from what we've been eating. So.
All right, sounds like a plan.
That's what I'm doing.
Excellent.
All right, well, I will see y'all when it's time to cook.